Good morning, today's December 12th and today's refinishing project is located in Martinez, California. Alright, so today in Martinez, we're going to be refinishing this steel porcelain overlay bathtub. As you can see, this one is in extremely bad condition. It looks like it's been refinished at one point a long time ago. Got a lot of rust areas here that need to be taken care of. Out here as well. Yeah, so this one is going to be a lot of work. First thing we need to do is strip off the old coating, see what type of rust is underneath, and then from there take care of the rust issues, fully prep it out, and then refinish it. Tubs in this condition usually take a full day to complete, normally 5 to 8 hours to complete, depending on how difficult it is to strip off the old coating. So we're going to get into it and take another closer look so you can see how bad that is. It's just bad. All right, so we're going to jump in and start getting to work, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. All right, so the tub's complete here in Martinez, California. Let's take a look. So before there was an old coating on it, we had to strip off, and then there was several rusted areas, chipped areas that we took care of as well. Down on the bottom, on the side over there. Took roughly 7 hours to complete. Okay, there you have it. Here's the bathtub in Martinez, California. If you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900. Thanks for watching.